Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, we want to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and you'll have this side toggle panel, and here you want to find screen recording. Now for me it is on the second page. No, never mind, that's a screencast, I think. Oh, there we go, it's a little bit above. So screen recording right over here. So anyway, once you see it, you can tap on it. As you can see, it's already recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Once you're done, click on that square right there. It will get automatically saved to your gallery. We can open that up, and in here it looks like it's gonna appear right at the top in the camera section, but we should also have, I guess we don't have any kind of library as in albums, so you will need to find it in here for some reason. But anyway, just clicking on it, I'm gonna mute it just in case, because there is a sound recorded for this. So you can see it's already playing back. Now I was looking right here for Netflix application just because it comes pre-installed with a lot of devices, and it's one of those applications that blocks screen recorder from being able to see the display. So if you ever encounter that your screen recording has captured a fully black screen, even though you know you are recording some kind of application, just know that that application has more control over your own device than you do. And there is nothing you can do about it because great design. Anyway, so that is how you can record this device, screen on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.